Hello, I'm Jen with Getaway Today. Thank you so much for joining us here on our YouTube channel, where we have the best tips and tricks for your next Southern California vacation. Today, we have got a really fun surprise for you. We are going to talk about one of our favorite hotels and 7 reasons why you're absolutely going to want to stay at the Courtyard Anaheim theme park entrance. We've got Carrie, our longtime friend and just our favorite contact in the whole industry, here with us at our office. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing excellent, thank
Awesome.
you.
Are we ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, so 7 reasons why you have to stay at her property. So first, they have the best location. Where are you located at?
Well, we're right across the street from Disneyland. It takes about a 10-minute walk to exit out of our lobby and to the turnstile of Disneyland and California Adventure.
The best location for sure. So your hotel, it's more than just a place to sleep. It has so many fun things for families. What are some of your favorites?
My favorites would be the Waterpark. It's great for kids of all ages. And then it's also a great spot to watch the fireworks when they go off at Disneyland.
Awesome. And our families, they love, like you said, the best location, and then to have a full water park that when you want to come in from the theme park for a little while from Disneyland, you still have so much fun at the hotel. So next, our 3rd favorite thing is your rooms. Tell us a little bit about them.
They're a little over 500 square feet. All of them, every single one of our rooms has a bunk bed.
That's so fun.
All of our rooms sleep 6 in each room, and they have 2 showers.
Okay, so that's our 2 favorite things about it. Bunk beds in every single room.
Every room.
Sleep 6, that's fantastic. And I've never seen another hotel that has the 2 showers like yours does.
Right, we have the tub shower combo on one side of the bathroom and then the walk-in shower on the other.
Okay, think about it. When your family's all getting ready in the morning, you've got it completely covered. It's
Yep.
nice to have 2 private areas to be getting ready. So tell us about the food options by your hotel and what's within the hotel too.
Lots of different options. So we have the bistro, which is located on the 1st level in our lobby, is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have, just steps outside of our hotel, there is a Mimi's Cafe that is also open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. McDonald's, Panera Bread, lots of different options.
And it's so nice that you are so close to downtown Disney too.
Right.
So you've kind of got everything. You've got the hotel delicious food, easy places right outside, and then you're right next to the fun too.
Right.
So 6th, people love this hotel. The reviews are fabulous. What are some of the top reviews you're getting?
Well, we read them. We take them very seriously, so we read those reviews all the time. Guests are saying they love our staff. When they first come in, they're getting a warm welcome from the valet team as they pull up, and then into the lobby where they go to check in.
That's awesome. Well, and you are our favorite. So it comes from their leadership. They have a fantastic staff. We also, our guests, they love just the modern look and feel. They love the newness, especially for that area. Like you have the newness, the new look and feel that everyone is excited about. And we've talked about the water park and the bunk beds and the 2 showers. Like they love everything about your hotel.
Right.
And 7th, last but not least, when our guests stay at the Courtyard Anaheim theme park, we know they're going to have a great experience because you take care of our guests. We've worked together for a long time, and you really do. Like if our guests are having a special occasion or anything, you guys will take care of them. Absolutely.
We want to know if you're celebrating something. So if you're staying with us, you're celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, first time to Disneyland, we want to know about it and we want to help you celebrate. So make sure you let your Getaway Today agent know that what you're celebrating, and we'll be sure to celebrate.
Awesome. And of course with Getaway Today, you will get the best price at this hotel, and we always have great availability. If there's a room to sell, we're going to be the ones that will sell it to you. So absolutely, thank you so much for being with us today.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Fantastic partner. Thanks for lunch for our staff. Again, I'm Jen with Getaway Today. We're here on our YouTube channel. Glad you found us. Be sure to subscribe, where we have the best tips and tricks for your next Southern California vacation.